Here's the third quarter. He's jumping it up to once again. Thank you, Johnny, for playing. Gonna take a shot by the loose forward ball, 106. It's the first 2 points for Andy Jimenez. There 4 points now already for Andy. He's been on a jump ball. Setting it up. Alberto swings to the left side, too strong. Ball goes the other way. Here's Chandra. Back to Jeremy Marshall from the parking lot. Nowhere to go. Pick up pass. No Diaz. Here it goes. Down the shot clock. You need to make a shot this time. Whether this is a shot, Vigo Angelo. Here's the break now. Hernandez. Shot fell short. Moves that up now. John Ray. Blind one shot. Got it. 50 points now for John Ray Galape. Here's Alberto. To Binato. To Ray. To Anglo inside. Short once again. John Ray. Diaz to Jeremy down low. He is so unselfishly. No matter. Eyeing those plays. Here's John Paul. Acel, Promoso, Jeremy, all the way, yes sir. 10 points now for Jeremy Promoso. By now, Marathon Borg. Of that night, investigation Poblete. Setting it up to the middle. Alberto inside. Yes, sir. Here's Sarate. There's down here, the house number 3. That is Marcel Dios. He searches for foul. This is foul. 14 on the shot clock. It's John Jimenez on the rebound. Jimenez on his way in. What a sequence here. What a lovely connection, eye-to-eye contact from those two. Here is Cisracon. Getting that 2 points inside the paint with a picture answer. You shove it down. Looks up the paint. To the middle, inside, it's all in the air. By Hayward. It's Marathon now, looking to attack. To the middle, fadeaway jumper, too strong, rebound by Diaz. Here's Johnny now. He pass, Jeremy! Eye to the side. 12 points now for Jeremy Marshall. 6 assists for Johnny Galape. Here's Poblete Christian. Good pass. There's a contact. The foul is on number 26. It is Andy Jimenez going to this first personal foul. 2 free throws for Gilmar Cisracon. Your shot is a miss. You're out of 2 for him. You want to go to the second shot. It's shot now. Galante. All the way inside, making it out with Bradley. Yes, a chance for Malagón to answer in this possession. Christian using up the paint. Kick-out pass for three. That is short. Galante picks it up. All the way inside. The whistle's here. Foul number 7. It's Francis Lindo. His first personal foul. 2 free throws for Johnny Galante. Make it 17 points now for Johnny Galante. And the Algeria standoff from that night. Here's Poblete Christian. Handoff to the middle. High post. Galante picks up the steal. Here's the run now. Passes. North Shore. Back to Johnny. Fades away. It is the North Shore and Galante connection. Once again activated here, third quarter. Right side pass. Marcel. Foul number 26. Substitution. In the second personal foul on Johnny Jimenez. Here's Christian. Poblete setting it up. Shot clock winding down. 5 seconds to shoot. Marcel to Alberto for 3. Too strong. Batting for the loose board. Out of bounds. Ball stays with 14 on the shot clock. Here's the hero play. Lindo to Christian. Poblete to Marcel. 10 on their shot clock. Still here from the ball. Poblete now. Pace. Go pass the shot. They will miss. Christian, floater shot, nowhere to go. Substitution. Here's Poblete. Zay. Somebody got a ball. That foul is here. Holding foul number 5, that is Jean-Paul Piano. His first personal foul, 13 foul. He's in, hand off the down. That's it. Sorry, buddy. Alberto. Here's the break now. Di nga lang aabot. Tatagos pa ata sa kabila. Here's G. There's that handoff. Back to G. Here's the pick. That is only a low 2. Only a low 2 for G to the line. Off that shot was Pinado. John Paul to the middle. Stolen by Maryland. G. Oh, that will be a really violation. Some position. Charles Roberto Zach. Checks in for and a better shot. Here's Alberto. Off the screen. Kick down. Poblete for 3. Put back. Misses. Foul number 11. That is Aizon Trevias. His first personal foul. 15 foul. 2 free throws for Gilmart Sislacon. Substitution. Lawrence Hernandez and Edson Espinosa checks in for Mark Saldillos and Francis Lindo. First shot is a miss for Gilmart. The next miss is for him. Tatubo. Over to number 4 is Ray. Although he got the pass and couldn't complete that shot, we are close to Ray. Alberto Tubinato. Jump ball, setting it up, using up the pick. Left side pass. 10 under shot clock. Out of bounds. Ball goes the other way. Bola nakapagpunta sa night. Reside. To the right side. Team. Represented. Handle. Puji. Jump shot from bars. Yes, sir. Once again, it is a bad scoring. Work on the last night. Out of bounds, turnover. No, here it is Simon Buglet. Setting it up. Process. Off the sleeve he goes. Bounce out. Oh my goodness. This is Simon Buglet. Plays side, the reverse, the contact, and the foul. The foul is on number 11. It's Jason Trevias. His second personal foul. 14 foul. It's 1 out of 2 here for Lawrence. Turned down by Luke, 27, 2:38, still have under 2 minutes to go. Good our third quarter, here's Jay. 15, that handoff, Jay, pass vision, no pass. The shot, off the back shot, over to go. We go versus Sado. It's better now. The three. By now, number 4, Zyler Poblete. Penalty. His first personal foul, Zyler Poblete. 2 free throws for John Paul Pinato. Marshall goes in for Paul. Make it 2. 12 points now for John Paul Pinato. Exciting. Poblete. Making his way. Yes, sir. Simon Poblete. Making those amazing moves on the drive. It is John Paul now. Looking for an answer in this possession. Looking for an handoff. John Paul to the right side. Middle, pick out. Olano for 3. Misses. Rebound by G. Handoff. Side once again. 3-1. Passes. Inside. And a finish. So I have a couple of seconds remaining here. Third quarter. Here's Alberto. Green. Setting it up. Pick out. Olano jump shot. Got it. 2 points off the bench. We're shooting around. You shake now. Stop party. Good song. Stop on the top. 8 seconds remaining. Sound for Green. 10 seconds to go. Layup. Yes, sir. Our third quarter, the score 76 to 44 in favor of the Night